First things first, press the like button and subscribe to the channel.
First things first.
First things first.
Oh, my little pit bull, she's
Now-
on it today. Woo!
Second thing second, what is the importance of preventative maintenance?
Well, I'm really glad you asked. I love our customer questions when we get these sent in to us. And, the truth of it is your car is not like your refrigerator. Your refrigerator, all you got to do is change a filter for the
Plug
water.
it in and let it go.
Right? And maybe once a year you got to change the filter for the water that comes out of the door. The truth of it is your car has got a lot of moving parts, and there's all kinds of things in there that can and will and do wear out. So we were doing some preventative maintenance on a client's car just today, and one of our techs recommended pack the wheel bearings. Well, what does that mean? So we take the wheel bearings and we clean them out and we put new grease into the bearings, and then we adjust them to make sure they have the right amount of tension so that the vehicle rolls properly. Once the technician opened up the wheel bearings to do his job, this is what he found. And I want you to see this. Look at this. This is rust. Okay.
Oh, wow.
This is actually rust.
So this is a bearing? These things are bearings?
Those are called roller bearings.
Oh, cool.
It is a conical roller bearing, which means that when you adjust the torque on the retaining nut and washer, it will adjust the amount of free play that it has.
So something rolls against that.
It rolls against what is known as the race. This is an inner race right here. The inner race, and there's an outer race that's actually in the hub.
Oh, fun!
And so you'll see. Watch, this spins.
Yeah.
Okay? So you hold this part, and look what's coming off on my hand.
Ooh,
This is supposed to have grease in here, wheel bearing grease that's very thick, very heavy, and it's
not red.
No, it's supposed to be green actually. And so if you can tell, if you look at this cloth, that's rust. And what
Here
we're
in
doing,
Texas?
absolutely.
Wow.
And this happens for a number of reasons. Someone never had their wheel bearings checked or repacked, and so what we're doing now today is we're actually going to replace this bearing because there is wear. And as a tech, I'm looking at it and go, yeah, these bearings have been cooked, and they actually cause the grease to get thick and no longer function. And what it will do is we're also going to replace the inner race. And if we didn't do this, if we didn't catch this, if we didn't find this problem, the client did not authorize us to do this inspection, it would have destroyed the entire spindle and the wheel would have come off actually at some point on the car.
This is dangerous.
It's a very dangerous thing. Absolutely.
A simple thing as putting new grease in can prevent your wheels from coming off.
Yes. Without question.
Wow.
And this is why it's so important for you to treat your vehicle with the love and care that it needs. A little maintenance goes a long way. So this little job here, I'm going to tell you, it's probably going to be about $150 or $200, and it'll save them thousands and possibly someone's life.
Well, the whole price of the vehicle, because if something happens,
The car could.
You have to
We've seen
replace-
cars flip. We've seen cars, tires. I mean, it's can be catastrophic.
wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So make sure that you drive your car because vehicles are meant to be used. And then the other is the regular maintenance. It's so important to do regular maintenance.
It really is. And one of the worst things, you hit it right on the nose. Pow! One of the best things you can do for your
Like a
car
boxing glove.
is drive it. Cars will deteriorate faster by not driving them than they will deteriorate by actual use.
You don't use it, you lose it.
Oh, I've heard that before.
It's
Golly.
your car, your bicycle,
Your body.
your body, your...
That's why I'm working out again.
I like it. Okay, so once again, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly,
Bring us your cars.
bring us your cars.
Yeah, we
Let's
love
get them
cars.
inspected. Let's make sure you're safe on the road. That's really what it boils down to.
Call us at 972-578-0588 or reach out at www.theautoshop.com. I'm Jerry. This is Dr. Laura. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.
See you
Bye, everybody.
soon.